From complete dominance by the Bharatiya Janata Party in 2 straight Lok Sabha elections to a resurrection by the Akhilesh Rahul UP ke ladke combo and a major dent to the Modi Yogi double engine, a major twist in the Lok Sabha tale in Uttar Pradesh.
In 2014 and 2019, the BJP scooped 71 and 62 seats. Exit polls predicted a similar trend this time, but that did not happen.
The biggest upset in Amethi, the Congress bastion that the BJP's Smriti Irani snatched in 2019 from the Congress's Rahul Gandhi. This time, Rahul chose neighbouring Raebareli amid barbs by the Bharatiya Janata Party, leaving a little-known aide, Kishori Lal Sharma, as the Congress's Amethi candidate. Mr. Sharma, loyal to the Gandhi family for decades, but not known to be a consummate politician, defeated the high-profile Smriti Irani by more than 1.5 lakh votes. Rahul Gandhi won neighbouring Raebareli, vacated by his mother Sonia Gandhi. And the Congress put up its best performance in Uttar Pradesh after 2009, winning 6 seats of its 17 it contested, riding on its back of its alliance with the Samajwadi Party.
अमेठी की जीत जो है गांधी परिवार और यहाँ की जनता की जीत है, ठीक है, ये उन्हीं को समर्पित है। प्रियंका जी ने मेरे लिए बहुत किया यहाँ आके और राहुल जी ने मेरे लिए किया और खड़गे जी भी आए।
जो चुनाव जीते उन्हें मेरी ओर से बधाई। मैं आशा करती हूँ कि हमने जितनी निष्ठा के साथ गांव-गांव जाकर जनता की सेवा की, गांव-गांव जाकर प्रतिदिन उसी प्रकार से अमेठी की सेवा होती रहेगी।
The other big story from Uttar Pradesh is the uptake in Samajwadi Party's performance. In 2019, the Samajwadi Party was down to last 5 seats when it was in alliance with the BSP. Now, it has bounced back.
The big questions, what did Akhilesh Yadav do right? Political experts say Akhilesh successfully managed to convert his PDA messaging to backward classes, scheduled castes and minorities on the ground. An alliance with the Congress may have helped both parties to consolidate the votes. So what went wrong for the Modi and Yogi duo? Among the biggest talking points in the election was the construction of the Grand Ram Temple in Ayodhya, a BJP poll promise since the 1980s, which BJP supporters claimed would be a decisive factor in the Lok Sabha election results. But the Samajwadi parties of Desh Prasad defeated the BJP's veteran MP Lallu Singh on the Faizabad seat, of which Ayodhya is a part. In Prime Minister's own constituency Varanasi, the win margin of Narendra Modi reduced from 4.5 lakh votes to 1.5 lakh votes. Akhilesh Yadav and Rahul Gandhi were last seen campaigning together in the run-up to the 2017 Uttar Pradesh polls. But when the results came, the BJP had a whopping 302 seats and the Congress-SP alliance managed just 47. 7 years later, the two leaders, both more mature politically, were seen together again when they came together under the India Alliance for the big Lok Sabha fight, and they have changed the picture this time in Uttar Pradesh. Another key factor in Uttar Pradesh result this time is the decimation of the BSP. In the 2014 Lok Sabha polls, BSP had scored a blank in Uttar Pradesh but came back strongly to win 10 seats in the 2019 elections after it tied up with the Samajwadi Party. This time, it fought solo. But party chief Mayawati took a backseat from campaigning. The key seat of Nagina, which was considered the turf of the BSP, elected another leader, Chandrasekhar, while the BSP did not manage to win even one seat, perhaps signifying the decimation.
Samajwadi Party's alliance with the Congress Party seems to have worked better than its alliance in 2019, that was with the BSP. With caste equations in place and proper transfer of votes, the Samajwadi Party will hope for an equally good performance in the 2027 Assembly elections. With camera person Virendra Kumar Saini, Tanish Punjabi for NDTV.